What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Super special day today. It's my birthday, and I got myself a 1958 Chevrolet Impala. This car is absolutely awesome. Like I said, bought it from the dealership. That's a joke. But I did want to do a quick walk around video, putting it up for sale here. Absolutely gorgeous car. Stunning in every way, down from the paint to the grille to the classiest interior I've seen on any car lately. Just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful chrome and trim all the way around. As you know, if you're looking at this video, or maybe you don't know, this was a 1 year only car, a big body car. Just absolutely full of classic chrome and trim, and like I said, seats, the whole 9 yards. All original sheet metal on it. This car's just never been rusty. Just beautiful sheet metal, straight interior. Previous owner said it is original interior, never been replaced. But fit and finish is just absolutely gorgeous on this car. See, no rust, drip rails. Love the interior. Love the steering wheel, door panels. Just beautiful condition. 348 tri-power. 3 deuces. Carpet's in beautiful condition. Like I said, look at this. Look at this. Seats. Just don't make them like they used to. Backs of the seats as well. Beautiful shape. No pitting on the chrome anywhere. Just super clean. Doorknobs. Excellent condition. This car's just amazing. It's just amazing. Nice fender skirts. Moving to the back. I mean, that trim is just gorgeous. Dual exhaust, Continental kit. See the nice reflections in the paint there. Moving around the other side, just as nice. Ooh, love that. Look at that steering wheel. Two-tone. Dash is in beautiful condition. Got factory power brakes. Give it a little fire up here. Look at the dash, this gorgeous shape. Okay. That's 3 deuces there. There's our original 348. So you got 3 deuces, so you got 3 two-barrel carburetors. That original power booster setup. Like it does have an MSD distributor ignition system on there. stunning. Ready to go anywhere. Anyway, y'all, if you have any further questions about this incredible automobile, feel free to give me a call. This is Josh. Drive the Coast. We got lots of classic classics. Also have this stunning 63 right now. But y'all give us a call. Nationwide shipping and financing are available. Y'all have an awesome day.